that's out. And probably dragged on. Great celebrations from Umar Gull.
Well, game on. Just watch the Pakistani celebrations. They know that Andrew Strauss is the key wicket. Playing so well, look at that. Pakistan have a real chance now. Pressure on the guys coming in. Strauss goes for a well-made 57, England 95 for 4.
Oh, that could be close, though. That's out, LBW. Now we really do have a game. Brilliant bowling by Umar Gull. He's really turned this situation around. And Michael Yardy, who's been groping for the ball, sent on his way.
Well, this is incredible bowling. He's taken the ball across Michael Yardy, and then he just brings this one back, swinging back into the left-hander. Ah, that's dead, that's pitched in line. It's going on to hit the stumps. Good decision from Richard Illingworth. Real game on now. Umar Gull's on fire. England still need 139. Michael Yardy goes for 4. 103 for 5.
He nipped out Andrew Strauss earlier and Michael Yardy, and he comes and bowls to Morgan, and that could be straight down the throat, a deep square leg. Well, a little stumble for England here. Morgan, usually the great finisher, is on his way back.
Well, just a little flick. It's not a great ball from Umar Gull. Morgan's just timed it too well. It's a simple catch for Wahab Riaz. I'm sure he was trying to aim probably more in front of square and over mid-wicket. He's got it too fine. Is that the little twist in the game? Can Umar Gull produce something special? Morgan goes for 61. England 201 for 6, still needing 41.
Oh dear, well that's definitely out. That's sensational bowling by Umar Gull. A couple of outswingers and then the one sliding back in through bat and pad. Far too good for Tim Bresnan, and he knows it.
Well, Tim Bresnan's face says it all. He's just been completely done by some brilliant bowling from Umar Gull. Getting the ball to swing back in. Genius stuff from Umar. That little twist we've talked about, well, it's arrived. Bresnan goes for 0. England 201 for 7, still needing 41.
Oh, that's out as well. What a fantastic delivery that is by Umar Gull. I was just about to say, Stuart Broad might be feeling a bit more confident after his big 100 in the Test match at Lord's, but that was too good for most batsmen.
And Umar Gull has fifer. For the second time in one-day cricket, it's a Jaffra ball swinging back into the left-handed Stuart Broad. Castled him. Middle stump at the ground. Umar Gull still has 7 balls left. Can he win it for Pakistan? Stuart Broad goes for 4, England 207 for 8, still requiring 35.
Umar Gull's last ball, Graham Swann on strike. Out! He has a wicket, and Pakistan must surely have the match.
6 wickets for Umar Gull. Little fairy drive from Graham Swann, and the catch for Afridi. Graham Swann knows. So do Pakistan. It's their night, I think, now. An incredible spell of bowling. 6 for 42, his best figures. Quite incredible stuff here.
And a desolate look on Graham Swann's face. He knows that he didn't have to play that stroke. He knows he had to see off Umar Gull. He goes for no score. It's 211 for 9.